In this video, I'll show you how to change Outlook profile picture. It's going to be a step-by-step video. So make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your Outlook. So this is my test. I think like my test mail for sending messages like here on Outlook. So this is just basically for tutorials. So this is it. So you can see it for test 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to click on this settings icon. So click on account. Click on this. Click on show us. So from here, you can be able to come on here and click on the customize. So you're going to be able to customize any of it if you want to, right? So you can type it, can be in text, can be HI, or you can change it to this. It can be an emoji, so it can be this. So if I click on this now, if I go back, so you can see how my profile is currently showing here on Outlook. So this is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.